So students, in this video we are going to study about the industrial preparation of nitric acid. This industrial preparation is also known as manufacture of nitric acid because it is done in large scale. Furthermore, a German chemist Ostwald was there who had developed this process. Therefore, this process is also known as Ostwald process. This process is basically being completed into 3 steps. So the first of all is catalytic oxidation of ammonia. What we are doing here is we are taking air 10 volumes, okay, 10 parts of air if we are taking, then we need to take 1 part of ammonia gas or 1 volume of ammonia gas. Both of these are first compressed and then they are being shifted here in the catalytic chamber. The catalyst used here is platinum. What will happen? This ammonia gas and this air will combine in the presence of this platinum catalyst to give nitric oxide, water and heat. This is a exothermic process. Exothermic process means heat is being evolved in this process. So this is the catalyst, these are the temperature conditions. What we have obtained here, nitric oxide, water and heat. Then this heat is enough to maintain the temperature conditions for the remaining processes. Furthermore, the products we have obtained here, they are being moved to the heat exchanger. Heat exchanger will basically cool down the temperature of these products. Then it is moved here, cooling chamber. In this cooling chamber also, water is being sprinkled or passed over these pipelines. Then the contents inside these pipelines will get colder, means the temperature will get reduced. Earlier its temperature was 800 degrees Celsius, now its temperature will get reduced. Now what will happen? From here, this inlet, we are passing oxygen, air, okay. So air basically contains oxygen. What we need mainly here is oxygen. So here is the second step. In second step, the nitric oxide we have obtained from first step will combine with the oxygen that we have supplied from the inlet, and these two will combine to give nitrogen dioxide. You can see the temperature condition here. In the first step it was 800 degrees Celsius and here it is 50 degrees Celsius. So this was the purpose of heat exchanger and cooling pipes, to let down the temperature from 800 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So in the second step, what is the product? It is nitrogen dioxide. These things are done in this oxidizing chamber. In the oxidizing chamber, air is coming from this and nitric oxide is coming from here. These two combine to give nitrogen dioxide. Now we are shifting this or letting this move to the absorption tower. In this absorption tower, what will happen? Here you can see some trays are fit. Okay, these trays are made up of quartz. Why only quartz is used? This is being generally asked in exams because quartz is acid resistant. Here what we are preparing nitric acid, which is very much corrosive. Since quartz is acid resistant, it will not be affected by this acid, and furthermore it will help in easy and even production of nitric acid. In the absorption tower, from here water is being sprinkled. From here the nitrogen dioxide is being rushed into this chamber in this tower, and oxygen is also being moved here, or the air here, it is taken in greater quantities, it is also being moved here. So in the third step you can see this nitrogen dioxide from the second step and water we are sprinkling from upside and the oxygen, these all three are combining to give nitric acid. The nitric acid we have obtained here is of 50% purity. If we want it of greater purity, then we need to distill it. If we distill it over water, it will be of 68% purity, and if we distill it over concentrated sulfuric acid, then we can get it of 98% purity. In the exams it is being generally asked why we are taking higher ratio of higher volumes of air as compared to ammonia, because if we are taking 10 volumes of air, then in that only 1/5 is available as oxygen, the rest is nitrogen and other gases. Therefore oxygen is taken in higher volumes. So this is the flow chart, you just go through it. This was about the industrial preparation of nitric acid.